Hello friends, I hope you all will be fine and doing good. Today we are going to discuss about contracted forms. But before moving on to the topic, if you are new in this channel, please do subscribe my channel for the latest videos about English and about other interesting subjects. Okay, contracted forms. Usage of contracted forms. A contracted form stands for the full form. We leave out one or more letters and we write an apostrophe. Instead, we use contracted forms in conversational English and in an informal English, such as a letter to a friend. Contracted forms are also called short forms. Here, two things are mentioned here, that contracted form is just used in conversational English as well as in informal English, such as which we speak with our friends. When we write a letter to our friend, then these contracted forms can be used. Note, we can not use a short form when the word is stressed. Means there are many words which are stressed. There we can't use contracted forms. Like here example is, have you took care of her? So yes, I have. And the we can't use here like yes I have. We can't use ha, which means these letters we can't remove. So we have to write in short answers full yes I have. But we can use not in a short form. It means like an note, not. So the o can be removed if we want to use its short form. And its second example is, have you looked in this drawer? Yes I have. Okay, so the most common short forms. Some words can have short forms when they come after I, you, etc. This first one, like am. Its contracted or short form is what? I am. Are, like its contracted form is you are, we are, they are. Is, yeah, has. E is, she is, yeah, it is, yeah, he has, she has, it has. Have. I have, you have, we have, they have. Had, yeah, would. I had, you had, he had, she had, it had, yeah, I would, you would, he would, she would, it would, we would, they would, we had, they had. So these all are contracted and short forms of had and would. Will. I will, you will, he will, she will, it will, we will, they will. And last one, shall. I shall, yeah, we shall. A short form can also come after a noun. For example, Sarah's lost her ATM card. Now here the S doesn't mean that the S doesn't mean of. Here S represents it as a verb, like Sarah has lost her ATM card. The second example, the milk will be in refrigerator. Now here the milk, after milk we have just used apostrophe, and after apostrophe we have used just double L. So here it means that double L means will. The milk will be in refrigerator. So it was about today's lecture. If you have any query, please feel free to ask in comment section. I hope you have gotten today's lesson, and if you liked video, do subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends as well. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.